This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your Android phone. So this is relatively easy. Now the most important thing is you flip over your keyboard and you make sure it's turned on. So there's an on and off button right here. So I'm just going to turn that on. And make sure you have batteries in here and the batteries are new. And there should be a light that pops up on your keyboard somewhere. So you can see there's a light right here. When I turn this on and off, that should display. So let's do this now. There's the light. Now on this specific keyboard, I have to press the FN button and the Bluetooth button on Z down to put in the Bluetooth pairing mode, so I can do that now. So this light should pop up and on. Alright, so it's blinking. It's on the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now on your Android phone, go down from the top right and we go to settings. Then we can go to where it says network and internet or connected devices, depending on what kind of phone you have. Let's go to pair new device. Okay, and the Bluetooth keyboard should pop up on here shortly. This might be it right here. Couldn't pair. So it has some random name. So if it's not showing up, I'll just have to try this again. And this could be connected to a different device. So let's just back out and go back in and see if we can get it to connect. So let's go back over to my keyboard and I'm just going to turn this off. Turn this back on. Hold this down. It might be connected to my other device. So let's hold this down here. It's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Here it is, Anchor A7762. Now you have to type in the code that displays on the screen. It's 58282. Press enter, and now I am connected. So if you don't type it in correctly, you're going to have to do the process again. Looks like I didn't. So you can see it's still blinking. So just look at that as a method to connect it. Type in the code. Here's my Anchor. I'm going to go to that, and then I'll type in one more time. 1463130. Enter. Okay, this time I entered in correctly and I am connected now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.